pregnant women.
Yes.
From our right, we have Ms. Monica Lacumos, our Assistant Vice President for Client Relations. Dr. Sally Gaspar, our Vice President. Dr. Donabel Pineda, our Medical Director. And Jennifer Malgapo, our Marketing Head. So without further much ado, of course, we will be going to the main point of this conference. May I call on Ms. Jennifer Malgapo, our Marketing Head, to present to us all about Aventus Healthcare Services.
So I'll just take the place here.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mao. Okay, so nanibago ako, very formal si Mao, but usually when we talk, it's like a lively banter. So thank you everyone, for visiting us and for coming to our clinic. I know some of you have been here, majority have not been here. So without further ado, I'd like to present to you the services. I'm sure you'll be interested and of course share and spread the word to your colleagues about Aventus Medical Care. So with that, okay. So we have recently celebrated 15 years in the industry of healthcare services. So 15 years old pa lang tayo. So very young, but very dynamic. Because the goal really of Aventus is to provide healthcare services that is affordable and accessible for our patients. And the patient is at the core of our journey. Sabi nga nila, the patient is our universe. So with that, we have three P's that we are, prioritizing. And that is, I just like to mention the first one, that is preventive care. So preventive care meaning we want our patients to be in charge of their health. We want to empower them, you. Kasi eventually, hopefully you'll get to visit our clinics. So we want to empower you in the event that you feel something, you take charge of our health. So, hindi na kayo, magdadalang isip to visit our clinic or any healthcare service clinic for that matter to at least address what you're feeling. So that's what we're offering. Preventive care covers primary health care, and that would be a medical consultation, diagnosis and treatment. Eventually, we also have wellness programs, wellness programs that are actually personalized to your needs. And we also offer, addressing our chronic diseases. So encompassing your preventive care. So that's one of our priorities. Second would be, I'll be mentioning patient-centered care, but I'll be showing you a slide to further inform you more about the patient-centered care. So highlighting that the patient is at the center of our universe. So yung mga nakapanood dyan yesterday ng Miss Universe, so the patient is at the center of our universe. And that's our priority. Third would be the platform integration. So, of course, in the advent of digitalization, we are also keeping up with the times. And we have upgraded our systems, enhanced our systems within the clinics, within the businesses that we have, to have a more seamless patient journey. Okay, with that, I'd like to highlight the patient-centered care. Kung makikita ninyo dito, we have actually core businesses that we serve. So, hindi lang yung physical clinic. We also have, of course, the clinics. We also have the mobile vans. If you're in the IT park area, you would see the vans there parked. So we also offer mobile services. And of course, one of my favorite services, the Aventus MD. If you're familiar with the teleconsultation platform, this is very convenient, especially for working moms. I'm a working mom and I don't have the luxury to, go to a clinic physically. So tawag lang, you will be, checked up by a specialist or a GP or a family medicine practitioner. So ito very convenient siya because you'll just be in the comfort of your home, you'll just be in your car, but you'll have a consultation and you'll be provided the prescription and the plan of care. So at your own comfort. And with that, we also have home health. nung pandemic, actually, even for Aventus MD, we launched it May, tama ba? May of, 2020. So May of 2020. And 4 years na kami, no? We celebrated recently our 4th year for Aventus MD. So similarly, for home health, because in the advent of the pandemic, doon din, in terms of home health services, our patients have maximized this. So they get to enjoy, at the comforts of their home as well, the consultation, the laboratory testing. Of course, we have our mobile van if they need an X-ray. So with that, this would be one of our core services, and it's still available. Even though the pandemic has died down, it's still available. So that's the first 4. And of course, I've been talking to So one of our core services also is clinic management. So sa clinic management, we provide staffing for corporate accounts. So that's also one of our capabilities. And we across the nation, we have 180 plus companies that have partnered with us, and we manage their clinics. So that's also our expertise, aside from the current footprint that we have for multi-specialty clinics. And lastly, so we also have the ambulatory surgical center, but this is based in Manila. So I just want to show you what capabilities Aventus has, not only here in Cebu, but also in Manila. So we have the ASC, or the ambulatory surgical center, and that's where, yung mga day surgeries are being done. So we have expanded, we have grown, and we are, of course, excited for you to hear our services. Okay, so sa 6 na services, sino na dito naka-experience ng services inside the clinics? Maybe I can ask for a raise of hands kung